Notion recurring task tutorial. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create recurring task on Notion. So let's get into it. First, what you guys need to do is you're going to open up your Notion and you will get to your task list. For instance, I have this task list right here. So here I have my different statuses and I have my different tasks. So once you open up your page, what you're going to do is you're going to click on this option right here, which is going to be new, and then we will have a drop down. Here you're going to click on new template. So give your template a name. In my case, I'm going to call it recurring task. So here you're gonna also add different properties if you have any, for instance, the assignee, status, priority, and then we have created date right here or due date. So you're gonna enter a due date as well if you want to. You can add this property, or if you do not have created time property, then you can add this one. So you will click on add a property and you have to select this one right here, which is the created time. Once it's added, now it's created, you will just close it and your template is added. So you will get back right here. And now we're going to click on this drop down and you will select the recurring task and click on these three dots here and click on repeat. So you can see it says repeat off, but then we have the option of repeat every day, every week, every month, every year, or off. So you can actually create a recurring task that occurs every day, weekly, monthly, or whatever. So I want to actually create a task that occurs like every day. So I'm going to select every day here. And then we have the start date. So you can select a start date as well and time too. So I'm going to select this date here and maybe add a created date too. So click on save. And now you can see it will repeat itself every date. This task right here, the template that I created. This is how we create recurring task on Notion. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.